flash flood warning for Alamance County, Chatham County, Durham County, Orange County, Person County until 7:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Durham, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Graham, Roxborough, Hillsborough, Pittsboro, Siler City, Carrboro, Mebane, Butner, Goldston, Richmond, Elon, Concord, Gibsonville, Haw River, Swetsonville, Alamance, and Staley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties.